Hello friends, today we like to learn how we can use struct in C to create user-defined types. First we understand syntax and logic and then we implement it in a program. So let's start. Definition of structure is it is used to create user-defined data type which consists of one or more fields having same or different data type, that is heterogeneous information. Its application is to store record-based information like students' detail, book information, etc. Now, we have to see what are the steps that we require to work with structure. Step 1 is to define the structure or UDT. Syntax is first of all you write struct, then name of structure, then within curly braces we have to give data type field 1, data type field 2, data type field n. So we can have n number of fields. In step 2, we have to create variables of structure or UDT. In C, when we create variable of structure type, we have to give the word struct. But in C++ syntax, there's no need to write struct again. Then the name of structure and then the variable name. In step 3, we have to access fields using variable and field name, like this is our variable, then the field that we have to access. In our example, I will create two books, book A and B. A contains title and price, B also contains title and price. So to access this information, we write A dot title, A dot price. Here we write B dot title and B dot price. So let's implement it. I am using code blocks, but you can also use turbo compiler. Now, according to step 1, we have to define UDT. So in our case, it is a book which consists of two information, title, say of size 30, so it consumes 30 bytes. Then price, it consumes 4 bytes in GCC. Since integer consumes 4 bytes here, so the total size is 34 bytes. Now, in main program, we have to create variables of this structure. So I am creating step 2, creating variables of UDT. So structure book A equal to learn C and gives up some price like 250. Now this is known as direct initialization. I am creating one more book using C++ syntax. So no need to write struct again. But here I will ask user to input some information. So now we have to access field. So I would write printf enter title. Now whatever user enters will be the information of B title. Similarly, we would write enter price. That should be assigned to B price. Now we like to compare price of A and B. So we can specify if a statement like this. If A dot price greater than B dot price, we can say %s is costlier than %s. Now we are writing 2% is for string, so we write a dot title, comma b dot title. But if condition fails, we have to change the message like this: %s is cheaper than %s. Now the program is ready. We can compile and execute it. Now we have to enter title like learn C++. I'm giving 350. So the message is learn C is cheaper than learn C++. Again execute it. Say learn Java. Now the price is 199. So the message is learn C is costlier than learn Java. So friends, we have seen how we can work with structures in C. Thanks.